Good morning.
Good morning. That's before coffee. My goodness.
It's Monday.
But Monday on a cruise ship.
To the Windjammer.
It's up to you. What's your pleasure?
Washy.
Just wash your hands, go.
It is day 3 aboard Voyager of the Seas. We are still at sea, waiting to pull into Costa Maya. But in the meantime, we grabbed breakfast from the Windjammer. I have an appetizer of watermelon while I wait for my omelet to be made. So they have a fresh omelet station, so I ordered an omelet and I'm just waiting for that to be prepared.
Yeah. And I got basically what I got yesterday. Rice, corned beef, hash bacon, and the hash browns. Oh, and as soon as you walk in the Windjammer, after the washy station, they have a mimosa bar, which also they serve Bloody Marys and screwdrivers. So make sure you grab one on the way in.
It's a good idea. When you have the beverage package, that's a great idea.
Pulling into Costa Maya, guys. It's actually almost 11 o'clock, so this is what you guys need to do. A bunch of people hanging out here on deck 4 as we pull in. What do you think?
It's not too humid. It's windy. Maybe put my hair in a ponytail, but other than that, no complaints.
Headed to the helipad, guys. So from deck 4 again, just like a set of stairs towards the forward end of the ship, and then which will lead you up to deck 5 to access the helipad. So hopefully it's not too windy. We're going to check it out. It's not actually too busy. So cool view. Yeah, guys, definitely come up here as we're pulling into port onto the helipad. It's pretty cool. It's really not that crowded at all. So, but it's actually a nice view. Very nice view. So I've actually never noticed this before at the front of the ship. But see, there's a punching bag right here and some chairs, but this area is like blocked off. So imagine this is a little crew area to hang out at. So yeah, basically right at the front. So never noticed that before. It's pretty neat. What's up?
What?
What's up?
I'm just watching the ship come into port. We've never seen this from the outside before. We've always been eating.
Oh yeah. Well, I can't see anything.
Yeah, we're
It's
backing in. Well, now that the ship's not moving, it's not as windy, so I think I'm ready to go inside.
Why? It's not that hot.
I need my hat.
Oh.
Yeah.
Here's a pro tip, guys. Instead of going down a set of stairs, we can go down, open up this set of doors here to the Star Lounge.
Although there's something going on in here.
Coming to Costa Maya, usually arrive around noon, and it's 11:15, so everybody's just hanging out wherever. Promenade's pretty busy. People in the schooner bar playing trivia. People are outside as we pull in, so it's the only thing. It's weird that we have to pull in to Costa Maya around noon, but it's kind of cool. Get to kind of do whatever in the morning and then hang out at the port or your excursion for the rest of the day. What do we get?
You're going to Mai Tai.
I did.
It's awkward.
This is a Mai Tai. That's fancy. What's that again?
Watermelon margarita.
Oh. Looks pretty good. So now what? What's the plan?
I think we're going to hang out for a little bit, let the pizza open, let the second deck or first deck clear out. Second deck? Let people get to their excursions and then head to the port.
You got it.
I'm not really sure.
I think it's pineapple on it.
Yeah. You're good?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I know you like one.
Guess I could have helped you.
You always say that after the fact.
I only have one hand.
That's true.
Gluten-free pepperoni.
Yes.
Is that what you got last time?
I did the barbecue chicken last time.
And regular pepperoni, but yeah, we had to bring it in the. Where are we?
Pig and Whistle,
Pig and Whistle.
not the
There's no
Piggly
tables
Wiggly.
at the Piggly Wiggly. What is a Piggly Wiggly? Is that in
I think
another?
that's a slot machine.
Oh yeah. Where to now?
Schooner bar for trivia.
Scooter bar for. What trivia are we actually doing?
Try bond. So you have to put like phrases together to make a 3-letter answer, like Julius Caesar salad.
Oh.
Julius Caesar salad. That's
We're-
how I interpret the explanation.
Kind of doing that yesterday with the one game Ashley brought.
Yes, I do not know the name of it, but we should put it on the screen because it was a really good game. Good
Yeah.
cruise game.
It was cool. Costa Maya, guys. What do you guys do at Costa Maya? There's really not much to do.
Well,
We did Chichobin last time. We walked around this time.
You can't say there's really not much to do when we've only tried to leave the port once.
Here's Casino Royale, empty since we're in port. But yeah, here's all the tables, roulette, blackjack, poker, and one crap table. And they have all these slot machines here, including Dancing Drums Prosperity. There's a couple more slot machines. Here, Spitfire is right here. And then a couple more double jackpots over here. Just like that, guys. Ready for dinner. What are you doing? Oh, that's our breakfast menu. For...
My birthday.
I know tomorrow's your birthday. I'm not in trouble. Don't get mad at me. Hey, what are you wearing?
J. Crew Outlet Factory.
Trivia Day.
2 hours later.
I got sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet, got that hot blood in my body. When it drops, ooh, I can't take my eyes off.
What?
We haven't met our room stew yet, so we haven't been able to tell them that we like towel animals.
Did they even come by?
Oh, maybe not.
No, they had to.
Because the pillow.
curtains.
Oh, but the curtains are
Yeah.
closed. Maybe he just thinks you're sleeping on the couch.
Get in trouble. Oh man.
So we had a delicious dinner. After dinner, we were able to catch the ice show, Ice Odyssey, which was very entertaining. And after the ice show, we were able to catch the headliner, Brian Cheatham. He was on America's Got Talent. And I have to say, Claire thinks he has talent. He was very entertaining.
Yeah, he was pretty good. We thought the guy from the last cruise in 4th of July, Finest, was good.
Yes, and we were saying at that cruise that he was the best that we had ever seen on Royal Caribbean, but these two guys might be tied. I mean, the two were extremely entertaining, gave you a different show than what you might see on a lot of Royal Caribbean ships, and it was just very entertaining.
Yeah. And then we also went to you talked about the ice show?
Yes,
Yeah, that was good too.
of course.
Seemed like everybody liked it. So
Yes, yeah. So it's exciting to see an ice cast on a moving ship. There's just something about it. I can hardly ice skate when it's on land. So hats off to them that can make it happen on a moving ship. What is it?
What is that? What? It's like a bag. What in the world is that?
It has sweet tarts in it. Or
Candy?
Starburst. Sorry, Starburst, not sweet tarts. And another tiny dog.
But is that a hand knit?
This is so impressive. Who made this?
I don't know.
Donna from Tyler, Texas.
Donna found your little knitted. What is that? Is it a bag? Basket?
It's a little bag. Look, it has a way to fasten it. This is so impressive.
That is so cool. We haven't seen anything like that before.
I am so impressed. Thank you, Donna.
Look at that. Donna, comment down below if you see us with your little ducky and bag.
This is.
This is cool.
I mean, I'm just gonna carry this around. This is so cute.
That's awesome.
3 hours later.
That Monday,
Closing.
we are within an
Doors
hour
closing.
of your birthday. Can't stay late enough to even watch them change the days out.
Hey, I know we talked about this earlier, but this is way past my bedtime. This is like my asleep time. So.
Yeah, we spent time
Deck
with it.
9.
We went to
Doors
those
opening.
2 shows and then donated more money towards a free cruise.
Yeah. But I'm excited.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's a big day. We've been planning for this for a year. Tomorrow's the big day.
Yeah, so you have to come back to the sign and
See,
Show.
August 29th on a cruise ship.
yeah, be cool. Wish it was 83 degrees at home though.
Oh,
God.
and raining.
Yeah, we definitely need rain. Oh, so yeah, one other thing in the casino. The casino floor manager, I guess, not even sure what their title is, stopped me. Actually walked up to me as I was
Said,
on a
Mr.
machine.
Michael,
Yeah, I was like, yeah, what's up?
you gonna give us a free cruise?
Yeah, and ironically, we were at the what are they called? Casino host table. I was checking my points because I know I'm near hitting the next
Status.
so that's kind of what we've been playing towards on this cruise. But yeah, after we walked away from that, I sat down on a machine within a minute or two, and then the floor manager or whatever came by and is like, "Hey, how are you?" It's like, "Fine." I was like, "Cool. Is he gonna give me a free cruise or offer me a cruise?" And no,
The opposite.
I owe somebody some money.
He sat down at a machine unknowingly that already had $40 in it. He put his ticket in, and he, at the time, did realize it wasn't the amount on his ticket, and he was kind of confused by that, but he thought it was a glitch in the machine. It turns out it was somebody's $40, so
That they left behind.
giving that money back, hopefully that gives us
Better luck.
some good juju.
Yeah. So it was fine. I cashed out a ticket and then left the money for him. So, or else they'll be probably chasing me around for the next few days
Yeah.
for $40.
Big Brother's watching.
Yeah, there's cameras everywhere. That's all right.
Well, it was a great day, a really fun evening,
Mm-hmm.
and we hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Tomorrow morning, we will be docking in Cozumel. We have an excursion planned, an excursion that we've already done,
Mm-hmm.
but we enjoyed it, so we wanted to take the family with us. And we'll see where the 30th birthday takes us.
8 a.m. Tequila mixology.
Again.
It's fun. So if you watched our grander video in Cozumel, we did the dolphin. No, we didn't do the dolphin. It was at Dolphinarius to do the tequila mixology. So it's a lot of fun. Excited to do it tomorrow because it's Claire's birthday. So yeah, with that, see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
See ya. Bye.